Modern Ford Explorer models from 2020 to 2025 use a two-step safety system to open the hood. This system prevents accidental opening and ensures your safety. The process involves two distinct steps. First, you'll use the interior release lever, then move to the front of the vehicle to operate the safety latch. Step 1 begins inside the vehicle. The hood release lever is located near the driver's left knee, typically on the lower left side of the dashboard. Look for a lever marked with a hood icon. Pull the lever firmly until you hear the hood pop. This releases the primary latch, but the hood will only open slightly due to the safety system. For step 2, exit the vehicle and move to the front. You'll find a small safety latch under the center of the hood. This latch varies by model year, but is typically a small lever or tab. Operate the safety latch by pushing, pulling, or sliding it while simultaneously lifting the hood. The exact motion depends on your specific model year, but the latch will release with gentle pressure. Once the hood is open, secure it properly using the hood prop rod or gas struts if equipped. Locate the designated slot for the prop rod and ensure the hood is fully supported before working under it. Remember, never leave the hood unsupported. This two-step system ensures safe operation and prevents accidental hood closure while you're working. When your Ford Explorer's hood won't open properly, there are several common issues and solutions to try. We'll also cover essential maintenance tips to prevent problems. The most common cold weather problem is a frozen hood release cable. The cable can freeze inside its housing, making the interior lever stiff or completely immobile. To fix a frozen cable, gently warm the interior release mechanism with a hair dryer on low heat, then apply penetrating lubricant to the moving parts. A broken release cable is identified when the interior lever pulls without any resistance and the hood doesn't pop. This typically requires professional cable replacement. When the hood pops, but the safety latch won't release, check for debris, corrosion, or misalignment. Most latch issues can be resolved with cleaning and lubrication. Regular maintenance is key to preventing hood release problems. Open your hood monthly to keep the cable from seizing, and lubricate moving parts annually. Following these simple maintenance steps can reduce your hood release failure rate by 60% and save you from costly repairs down the road.